This lesson is the second of two which cover aircraft instruments and equipment. This part will deal with communication equipment. Any aircraft used for commercial transport must be able to communicate with air traffic control, ATC, at all stages of flight, both for control purposes and for receiving meteorological information from aviation weather broadcasts. EU OPS requires that two independent VHF radio systems are to be fitted. In addition, radios should be capable of being tuned to any frequencies specified by the authority of any state that is to be overflown. An essential frequency is the international emergency frequency of 121.5 MHz. As well as communicating with ground stations, crews must be able to communicate with each other and with their passengers. A public address or PA system is required by EU OPS for all public transport aircraft with more than 19 passenger seats. For the flight deck crew and cabin crew to be able to talk to each other, a crew intercommunication system, usually known as the intercom or interphone, has to be fitted to aircraft capable of carrying more than 19 passengers, or with a maximum takeoff mass of more than 15,000 kilos, if the certificate of airworthiness was issued after the 1st of April 1965, and the aircraft was registered in a JAA state on the 1st of April 1995. In addition, in aircraft capable of being operated by more than one flight deck crew member, there must be a flight deck intercom, independent of the cabin crew interphone. For flight under instrument flight rules, an aircraft must be equipped with an audio selector panel, available to all appropriate crew members, usually flight deck crew, to enable them to listen to any available radio communication or navigation aid. This brief lesson concludes the section on flight deck instrumentation and equipment, which has given you an impression of the minimum standard of fit that you will find on a modern airliner.